3. Best stock trading apps. Choosing a stock trading app in India sounds simple until 2 apps look equally good and only one still feels right after a few months of real use. That is where most people make the wrong choice. Because the app that feels easiest on day one is not always the one that feels smartest once you start placing more orders, tracking charges, and using more than the basic buy button. And that gap matters even more now, when India is tightening the focus on verified investment apps to help users avoid scams and unregistered platforms. What makes an app worth? For a broad India audience, the strongest trading app usually balances low friction, fair pricing, and long-term usability. That means the app should be easy enough for a beginner, but still strong enough that you do not outgrow it too quickly once you start using IPOs, mutual funds, derivatives, or more serious charts. That is why this ranking is not just about the prettiest interface, it is about which app still makes sense after price, product range, and real trading behavior all line up together. This is general info, no financial or legal advice. Number 3. Upstocks. Upstocks takes the third spot because it gives a very strong all-in-one mobile experience. The company says more than 1.3 crore Indians trust it, and its platform covers stocks, mutual funds, IPOs, fixed income, bonds, gold, and active trading across equities, futures, options, currencies, and commodities. That makes it a very credible option for someone who wants one app that can grow with them. Its pricing also helps. Upstox says brokerage is up to 20 per order on stocks F&O, commodities and currencies, with 0 commission on mutual funds and IPOs. The honest reason it stays at number 3 is that the next 2 apps usually feel sharper in one of the 2 things that matter most, which are beginner simplicity and long-term platform depth. Number 2, Grow. Grow moves into second because it is probably the clearest answer for people who want an app that feels simple from the first minute. Grow says it is India's number 1 investing platform, trusted by 2 crore plus active investors, and recent reporting says it added more new Demat accounts than its major rivals in January 2026. That tells you something important about where new users are going. It also keeps the entry barrier low. Grow says account opening and maintenance are 0, while pricing pages show low brokerage with transparent charges. That is a big reason it feels so accessible. It misses first place only because the best overall app here tends to feel more complete once you move past convenience and start caring about the broader trading ecosystem. Number 1, Zerodha. Zerodha takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best stock trading app in India is not just the one that feels easiest to install. It is the one that still feels right after months of investing, more frequent trades, and deeper use. Zerodha says 1.6 crore plus customers trust it with around 6 lakhs crore of equity investments, making it India's largest broker. And its flagship app Kite says active traders place 2 crore plus orders every day through the platform. Zerodha also keeps a very strong value case with free equity delivery, free direct mutual funds, and flat pricing on intraday and options. For a broad Indian audience, that mix of scale, pricing, and platform maturity makes Zerodha the strongest all-around choice. The app that still feels right later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Zerodha is the strongest all-around option, Grow is the one to watch for simplicity, and Upstox still makes a lot of sense if you want breadth in one app. The smartest move is not choosing the app with the loudest ads, it is choosing the one with the right balance of pricing, ease, and depth for how you actually plan to invest. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.